Hey there, DIY enthusiasts! Welcome back to my kitchen faucets channel. Today, we're going to show you how to replace a Kohler faucet cartridge. This is a simple and cost-effective way to fix common issues like leaks or low water pressure. Let's get started. Tools and materials: Kohler Cartridge Replacement Kit, adjustable wrench, screwdriver set, plumber's grease, bucket or towel. Make sure to turn off the water supply to the faucet before you begin. This will prevent any unwanted surprises. Start by removing the handle of the faucet. Depending on your model, you might need a screwdriver to do this. Once the handle is off, you'll see a retaining nut. Use an adjustable wrench to carefully loosen and remove it. Now, gently pull out the old cartridge. If it's stuck, a pair of pliers can help. Be sure to note the position of the old cartridge before removing it, as you'll need to install the new one in the same orientation. Take the new cartridge from your replacement kit. This will help it slide in smoothly and prevent future leaks. Insert the new cartridge into the faucet body, making sure it's aligned correctly. Once it's in place, reattach the retaining nut and tighten it with your screwdriver. Be careful not to over-tighten, as this can damage the cartridge. Next, reattach the faucet handle. Double-check that everything is tight and secure. Now, turn the water supply back on and check for any leaks. If everything looks good, you've successfully replaced your Kohler cartridge. A few extra tips for a perfect repair. Tip 1. If your faucet still leaks after replacing the cartridge, check for damaged O-rings or mineral buildup in the valve body. Tip 2. Use white vinegar to clean any hard water deposits inside the faucet before installing the new cartridge. Tip 3. If the handle feels loose after reassembly, tighten the set screw gently to avoid damaging it. Tip 4. Take a picture of the old cartridge before removing it to ensure the new one is installed the same way. And that's it. You've just replaced your Kohler cartridge and saved yourself a plumbing bill. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more DIY tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and happy fixing!